Hey y'all, Melissa here with you today, and if you are a procrastinator like me, then you often sew last minute gifts. So today I'm sharing 10 gifts that you can make at the last minute. Links to all of these projects are below, and I'll be putting links throughout the video as well. So there were 10 projects that you can sew fairly quickly, and I've gone ahead and made a playlist with all those projects in it, so you can just click on that window and go ahead and check out the individual project videos.